Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to color my hair for the very first time. So yeah, let's start. So for hair color, I'm using this Garnier Color Natural hair color in the shade Caramel Brown, which is 5.32. Let's quickly see what's inside the box. So it has three things. First we have this colorant tube, and then we have a developer, and then we have this packet which contains three things. One is obviously an instruction, and then we have this post color conditioner. Lastly, a hand glove. So before applying hair color, I'm going to comb my hair, and also I'm going to apply some coconut oil. You can also apply some Vaseline around your hairlines, ear and neck to avoid staining. Now I'm taking this plastic ball and I start by mixing the developer and a colorant tube and mix it well till you get a smooth creamy texture. After applying the color, I waited for 30 minutes letting the color develop. Once the 30 minutes were up, I washed my hair with a plain water, no shampoo, and then I applied a post color conditioner. I left it for about 3 minutes and then I washed it off. And here is the final result. Since my natural hair color is quite dark, almost like a jet black, the caramel brown shade didn't make a huge changes in my hair, but in sunlight you can definitely see a warm brown tint and a soft glow in my hair, and honestly it looks so natural, fresh and shiny. So if you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel.